Have you ever imagined what your life would look like if money was no longer your master but your servant? Imagine waking up tomorrow knowing your bills are paid, your future is secure, and you can spend time doing the things that actually matter to you. That dream is not reserved for the lucky or the rich, but available to anyone who understands the power of investing. Today, I want to take you on a journey that could be the turning point in your financial life. You will discover why investing is the ultimate game changer to financial freedom. So grab a notebook, stay with me till the end. This might be the video that changes the way you see money. Here is a tough truth. Most of us are trained to work hard, earn a salary, and save what's left. But let me ask you, how many savers do you know who became wealthy? Because savers play defense and investors play offense. When you invest, you stop exchanging hours for money, and instead, your money starts working for you. And that is the real game changer. Let's paint a picture. Let's say you save $10,000 and put it in the bank. After 20 years, that money is still $10,000 or maybe $11,000 with interest. But let's talk about inflation. Now, inflation will begin to depreciate your money because any investment that you make, officially rate of inflation is higher than the rate of the investment. You are running at a loss. Now imagine you invested the same $10,000 with modest returns of 8% a year. In 20 years, could be worth nearly $80,000. In 30 years, over $100,000. That's not magic. That's mathematics. The question isn't, can you afford to invest? The question is, can you afford not to invest? In just a moment, I'll show you how money grows on autopilot without you lifting a finger. Now, money isn't just numbers on a screen. It's emotional. It's the late night stress when bills pile up. It's the arguments couples have about expenses. It's the sinking feeling when you realize you are one emergency away from debt. But here is the other side. Money can also mean peace. A peace of knowing your rent is covered, the pride of paying for your child's education, the joy of retiring your parents early. Investing is the bridge between these two emotions, fear and freedom. And once you cross it, your life never feels the same. So how do we actually invest? There are 4 main vehicles. 1, stocks. That's buying tiny pieces of company shares and becoming a shareholder in that company. We also have bonds, which is lending money to government or companies in exchange for interest. You also have real estate, where you build wealth through property ownership. We have index funds and ETFs, that's traded exchange funds. This diversify your investment and is perfect for beginners. Kindly keep an eye on this channel, and I'll be teaching you step-by-step process of how to invest in these portfolios. Now, the beauty is, you don't need a PhD in finance. You don't need to time the markets. You just need to start, stay consistent, and keep learning. Speaking of starting, let me show you the most powerful wealth building secret of all, and that is compound interest. Here is where investing becomes almost magical. Let's say you invest just $200 a month. In 10 years, that's $24,000 invested. But with compound interest, that $24,000 can grow $35,000. Stay in for 20 years, that $200 a month can grow to over $100,000. Keep going for 30 years. It can go to nearly $250,000. Why? Because your money makes money, and that money makes more money. It's like planting a single tree, and over time, that tree grows into a forest. Compound interest rewards patience and punishes the procrastinator. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, which is fear. Fear stops people from investing. The fear of losing money, the fear of not understanding the markets. But here's the truth. The biggest risk is not investing at all. Yes, we all know that markets crash, but history shows they also recover, and then they soar higher. The mistakes to avoid are simple. Don't panic to sell when the market dips or drops. Don't try to time the markets. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You can diversify your investment. Stay on call. Think long term. Trust the process. That's how fortunes are built. So what's your roadmap to freedom? Budget and save. Build a caution so you are not investing with money you can't afford to lose. Also, educate yourself. You must read, you must watch videos, you must follow credible sources. Also, start small. Even $50 a month is powerful. Stay consistent. And one way to help with your consistency is to automate your savings. And then you reap your freedom. Over time, your investment will start paying you back. Not just in money, but in time, in choices, and in peace. Here's the truth. Financial freedom isn't reserved for the rich. It's for the disciplined, the patient, the dreamers who take action. Investing is the greatest wealth building tool humanity has ever created. And the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. So don't wait. Start small. Start smart. But just start. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe for more updates, and share it with someone who needs this message. Remember, your financial freedom is not built by chance. It's built by choice. And today, you have that choice.